All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take your simple C chord, probably the first chord that, 99.9999% of us learn, and how you can move it up the neck. Not only open up the neck, but also find those pesky chords when they come up your songs like C sharp or D flat or D sharp or E flat or whatever. All right, you ready? Stick around. We're going to unlock the secrets right now. All right, so welcome to Ukulele to Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and this is a concept that is actually very simple, but a lot of people don't know it and don't utilize it. But I'm showing you how you take the C chord and open up other chords without having to look at a chord diagram, chart, or chord chart, or look on Google for it. Right here, I'm going to show you how to do this. So we do give away ukulele every single month. That's right. Subscribe to the channel. Click the link below, which is ukulele2pros.com/win. As a matter of fact, I'm filming the video. We're going to do the giveaway today. Don't worry. Probably too late for you for this one, but you can catch the next one. Just make sure to sign up. You're automatically entered to win that giveaway. All right, I'm going to be using my KoAloha today. This is my concert, KCM00, with a high G on it. That's right, high G. You ready? Check this out. All right, so grab your C chord. Open, 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 and first string, 3rd fret. Now, when you move it up, you can't just move up the one finger here. You actually have to account for the open strings and move those up as well. So when I move this up, I'm actually going to change from my 3rd finger to my 4th finger here on the 4th fret. And now I got to bring in my bar. Don't be scared. Oh my gosh, bar chords, Terry. Don't be scared, okay? You got these. You got these. You got to learn them at some point. All right, so you got your bar. Now, I'm barring all 4 strings here. And there. And now I have C sharp. Whoa. I saw that chord once. I had no clue what it was. There you go. You got a C sharp chord. Now, this can also be called D flat. That's called inharmonic. Anytime a note or a chord has 2 names, that's called inharmonic. So this could be C sharp or D flat. And notice we got it right from the C chord, and we just slid up 1 fret. Now, when we slide this up again, we got a D. Oh my gosh, Terry, this D actually, that's a little easier for me than maybe this harder D. Maybe it is. Okay, so you got your D chord. Slide up again, you got D sharp, or what's the inharmonic? E flat. Now, you will see chords like that. You will see a C sharp chord or a D flat chord. You will see a D sharp or an E flat chord. Those will come up at some point in your playing. And now, just by using your C chord, you got it covered. All right, slide up again then. E. Oh my goodness, there's your E chord, because this E chord, that's a hard chord. A lot of people can't do it, but maybe this one's a little easier. And if it's not, maybe it's just another option for you. All right, and you slide up and you get F. Now, we'll stop there. You could actually go as far up as you want with this, but we're just going to stop there. My idea is that a couple of things. One, I want you to realize how you can take your easy open chords like the C, and by moving them up, all the notes, 1 fret at a time, is going to unlock these really cool chords that you might not grab right away. So if you're looking at a song and a D flat chord comes up, you might not, like your brain might not grab it right away, but if you have a chance to think about it, wait, I know C, if I slide up, it becomes C sharp or D flat. So you do know that chord. All right, so there you go. That's your movable C chord. If you dig any of this stuff, this is just a little sample. We got full courses, over 20 courses, 25 courses, ukulele2pros.com, fantastic platinum membership. Make sure to check that out if you want to dive deep into becoming that great ukulele player that you want. So, all right, that's going to do it for me. I appreciate you sticking around for this video. We also have a great blog, all right? A lot of people don't know that, blog.ukulele2pros.com. Hundreds of articles over there on ukuleles. Go check that out as well. It's absolutely a wonderful, wonderful blog. So, all right, that's it for me today. Hope you're doing well, and we'll see you next time.